Wanted a delicious egg burger fast? Well, you're in for a treat today. You've come to the right place. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will leave your taste buds dancing. We're going to make a fantastic burger and do it all in just 4 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 4 minutes. It's going to be tasty, quick, and really satisfying. Imagine biting into a juicy, flavorful burger that you whipped up in no time. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. First, we'll gather all our ingredients and make sure everything is prepped and ready to go. This is perfect when you're short on time, but still wanted a homemade meal. No more settling for fast food when you can create something amazing in your own kitchen. Get your ingredients ready because we're about to start a delicious race against the clock. From the eggs to the buns, every component will come together in harmony to create the ultimate egg burger experience. We'll start by cracking and whisking the eggs, ensuring they're perfectly mixed for that fluffy texture. Next, we'll season our burger patty to perfection, adding just the right amount of spices to enhance the flavor. As the patty sizzles on the grill, the aroma will fill your kitchen, making your mouth water in anticipation. Finally, we'll assemble our burger, layering each ingredient with care to create a masterpiece that's as beautiful as it is delicious. And there you have it, a mouth-watering egg burger ready in just 4 minutes. Enjoy every bite. For this super fast egg burger, you need just a few key ingredients. It's all about simplicity and speed without compromising on taste. First, grab 2 fresh eggs. They're the star of the show. Eggs are not only quick to cook, but also packed with protein, making them a perfect choice for a speedy meal. You'll also need 2 burger buns. The buns are essential as they hold everything together and add that satisfying bite. Choose your favorite type, sesame, brioche, or plain, all work great. Each type of bun brings its own unique flavor and texture to the burger. Next, grab a slice of cheese. Cheese adds a creamy, melty goodness that complements the eggs perfectly. Cheddar is classic, but feel free to experiment. You could try Swiss, American, or even a spicy pepper jack for a bit of a kick. Finally, we need some fresh toppings. Fresh vegetables not only add flavor, but also a nice crunch and a burst of color. Lettuce and tomato add a lovely crunch. You can also add other veggies like onions, pickles, or avocado for extra flavor and texture. Don't forget your favorite condiments like ketchup and mayonnaise. These add the final touch, bringing all the flavors together in a delicious harmony. Feel free to add mustard, hot sauce, or any other sauce you love. Let's cook. Today we're making a quick and delicious breakfast burger that will kickstart your day with energy and flavor. First, turn your stovetop to medium heat and add a little oil to a pan. Make sure the oil is hot before you proceed to the next step. This ensures that your ingredients cook evenly and develop a nice golden color. Crack your eggs directly into the pan, no need to whisk. This method keeps the yolks intact, giving you a rich, creamy texture. Let the eggs cook undisturbed for a few minutes until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny. While the eggs are cooking, lightly toast your burger buns. This step adds a delightful crunch to your burger, making every bite satisfying. You can do this in a toaster or on a dry pan. If you prefer a more buttery flavor, you can also spread a little butter on the buns before toasting them. While everything's cooking, quickly slice your tomato and lettuce. Fresh vegetables add a burst of color and a refreshing crunch to your burger, balancing the richness of the eggs. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, it's time to assemble. Place the eggs on the bottom bun, add the sliced tomato and lettuce, and top it off with the other half of the bun. Enjoy your homemade breakfast burger. Section 4. Hacks for a speedier burger. Want to make this recipe even faster? Try these time-saving hacks. Instead of slicing your own veggies, use pre-washed, pre-cut lettuce and tomato. If you're really short on time, skip toasting the buns. Remember, the key is to be organized. Have all your ingredients ready to go before you start cooking. This will help you build your burger in a flash. Section 5, presentation, making it look delicious. Now let's make that egg burger look amazing. Place the bottom bun on your plate. Add a dollop of ketchup and mayonnaise. Layer on your lettuce, tomato, and cooked egg. Top with cheese and the top bun. For an extra touch, add a pickle on the side. There you have it, a delicious homemade egg burger made in just 4 minutes.